Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will do a quick demo how to use the GridMate data filtering. We'll explore the filtering more deeply, create complex filters, and see the difference between the quick and advanced filter. The demo has two parts, one for the quick filter and one for the advanced filter. Let's begin with the quick filter. Click Grid Explorer, and select the filter section. Let's filter by the account, which is a lookup field. Click Apply. Let's add an amount range. For example, amount from $1,000 to $20,000. Let's drill down and filter only the open opportunities. Click Apply. Let's zoom in on a specific subset of stages. Click Apply. If we want to target a specific opportunity, we can filter by the name using the multiple entry filter. Click Apply. The quick filter offers simple filtering options that are easily accessible. Thank you for watching.